This video shows Cornerstone's integration with Portal.io, a leading proposal writing software company that maintains one of the most complete product databases for technical industries. Their product catalog contains more than 1 million current items with images and descriptions. They also integrate with suppliers so they can provide fully managed dealer pricing on these parts. We built this integration to streamline two things. First, streamline inventory pricing management in Cornerstone, update a part's price and cost in Cornerstone. And second, to turn accepted portal proposals into the scheduling and dispatch workflow to manage that customer in Cornerstone CRM. This includes progress billing, technician assignment and scheduling, inventory tracking, and recurring billing. Activate pending recurring charges once an installation is complete. Those of you that have seen the demos or use Portal know that their proposals are beautiful and robust. Cornerstone's integration begins at the point where a customer has accepted a Portal proposal. When the Portal proposal has been accepted, you open the Quotes module in Cornerstone, click on Insert, and then choose Scratch. A quote screen appears and you can see that there is a link to the Portal website where you can log in if you need to, and a Download Proposal button. Choose Download Proposal. The list of accepted proposals appears. Highlight the one you want to pull in, then hit Select. The proposal information is summarized so you can confirm you have the one you want. Clicking Yes presents the Cornerstone customer selection list so you can see if the account already exists in Cornerstone or if you need to insert a new customer into Cornerstone. If you find the customer, highlight the right account number and hit Select to pull the proposal into that record. If the account is not on the Cornerstone list, or if it's a new location for an existing customer and needs a new account, click Insert. We're going to insert a new customer. On Insert, a new customer record will appear, and it will be populated with the customer information that we can pull from Portal. All you'll need to do is enter the account number if you do not have auto numbering, and select the appropriate tax code if it's not part of your defaults. Then click OK. OK inserts the account, and you proceed to download the proposal to that account. The proposal items are pulled in, and it goes through a matching process. You will see the parts listed with the status of the matches, if it matches an existing part or does not. The three matching checkboxes will be checked so that all the parts that were pulled are shown. Those that are already matched in Cornerstone are green, and the price and cost pulled in is updated in the Cornerstone inventory. Unmatched items are blue, and you have several options to choose from. You can search the Cornerstone parts list to see if you can match the item manually, or if you know the part is not in your Cornerstone list, you can auto add the item. You can highlight and select the auto add button individually, or click OK to add them all. Search to match. Highlight the part and click on Manual Match. The Cornerstone inventory list is pulled up, and you can use any of the filter fields to see if you can match the part. The Portal part information is displayed in the left column to aid in your search. Type your search info into a field, hit Tab or Refresh to execute the search. If you find a match, highlight and hit Select. The item will appear on the imported list in orange, identifying that you've made a manual match. Next, we'll look for a part that we don't find, and we will auto add that part. Search for the part, hit Close if you do not match to an existing part. Highlight the part and click Auto Add to auto add the part. It turns green and goes off the list if you are filtered for only auto add items, highlighted in blue. I know the rest of the parts are not in Cornerstone, so I'm going to click OK to auto match the rest. Once the parts are all matched, the proposal gets pulled into Cornerstone. There is a summary screen that will pop up if there are any issues with the proposal totals from Portal versus Cornerstone's calculations. The parts all come in as line items in the quote. Any line items that are matched to recurring charge codes come in as recurring items. The quote can be turned into a ticket for scheduling, and the recurring charges set up as pending. The ticket can be progress billed. The Portal quote is summarized in the Notes tab, and the quote lists all the items. Now the proposal's in Cornerstone, we can turn it into a service ticket or an invoice. Accept the quote in Cornerstone and turn it into a service ticket. The ticket shows the service items from the proposal. Click on the Quote tab to show the quote summary. Now schedule the ticket. Select a technician and the date of service for the job. Then simply click OK to save the ticket. To view inventory imported from Portal, first click Inventory, then Inventory Dashboard. To view just the Portal I/O parts, put a check in the Portal I/O ID box. To update your inventory in Cornerstone, simply click Download Parts, then select Sync Known Parts with Portal I/O. This will sync pricing and product information on parts that have been imported via a proposal. Alternately, you can import all your Portal I/O parts into Cornerstone by clicking Pull Portal I/O Parts into Cornerstone. The syncing process will begin and you will receive a confirmation dialog box asking if you wish to download the associated images for each catalog item. Once the sync has completed, you'll be presented with the Match Catalog list with current inventory. You can go through the same part matching process as we did with the proposals. Items highlighted in green match existing items. Items highlighted in blue will be imported as new items into your Cornerstone inventory. Once you've completed the parts matching process, just click OK to add the remaining items to your Cornerstone inventory.